Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.32. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 5.25%. This translates to an average loss of 0.87% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 21% over the next 3 months, suggesting a possible return ranging from about 9.5% to 59%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -72% and 87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of approximately $6.13 to $40.89. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price up 2.1% on Tuesday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 2.1% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, rising from $21.39 to $21.84. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 5.21%, with a low of $21.29 and a high of $22.40. While the price has been volatile during this period, there has been a 12.88% loss over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day, alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with 3 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 11 million shares were traded for approximately $249.33 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands 60.6%, or $32.84, below the 52-week high, and 72.49%, or $57.54, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when it peaked at $79.38. Recent developments surrounding Trump Media and Technology Group, symbol DJT, have stirred interest among investors. A notable event occurred when CalSTRS, the second-largest U.S. pension fund, significantly increased its stake in D-Wave and DJT, signaling confidence in the stock that could lend support to its price in the short term. However, the company faced challenges as its stock price recently dropped by nearly 17%. This decline followed concerns over its struggling fundamentals, particularly its limited revenue and high cash burn, reporting revenues of less than $1 million in the first quarter. Despite these concerns, reports indicate that DJT stock gained momentum following a private equity placement of $2.44 billion with institutional investors, and its strategy to establish a Bitcoin treasury aiming to secure new revenue streams. The pivot towards Bitcoin could provide DJT with newfound opportunities, aligning with a growing trend among public companies integrating cryptocurrency into their balance sheets. While this move could enhance DJT's market positioning in the evolving digital finance landscape, it's deemed risky. Analysts suggest the stock's current valuation is stretched compared to peers, indicating potential volatility. In the long term, DJT's ability to stabilize its operations amidst high volatility could influence investor sentiment and ultimately its stock price. Short-term actions from institutional investors and the outcome of its Bitcoin strategy will be closely watched, as they may drive significant fluctuations in DJT's market performance. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen 4.85%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is facing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of 22.24 and 23.90. A breakout above either of these levels would issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 4 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 79 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 74 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $21.49. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.11 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.21%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 8.28%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let us briefly review some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the key E ratio. This vital metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $22.87. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $21.49. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Yuhan conducted another insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Yuhan conducted yet another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Yuhan conducted one more insider sale of 248 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.026. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a sound investment? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will exhibit weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 330/10,000ths of a dollar, starting trading at $21.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.